In this video, we are going to look at the process of cell division known as mitosis. We are going to look at the different steps of mitosis and determine what is happening in each step. So to begin, this is the parent cell. It is going to divide to give us two daughter cells. I'm going to press play and we're going to see what's going to happen. So, this is the nucleus if we zoom in. These are the chromosomes in the parent cell. They are decondensed and not duplicated. What they're going to do first is that they will duplicate and then they will condense. So you see now the chromosomes have duplicated. Every chromosome went from being one chromatin is now a chromosome made up of two chromatids joined at the centromere, and they are condensed. They are visible. Now the nuclear envelope is disappearing and the chromosomes are lining up at the equatorial plate. We have the formation of the spindle. Spindle fibers will attach to the chromosomes. So what's going to happen now is that there will be a pull on every chromatid to pull them apart. So now the chromatids go to the opposite poles of the cell. This is nuclear division, it's over. Now we have division of the cytoplasm. You can see that the cell membrane starts to constrict in order to divide the cytoplasm into two, which effectively divides the cell into two daughter cells. Now we have two daughter cells, the nuclear envelope reforms, the chromatins decondense, and we end up with two identical daughter cells to each other and identical to the parent cell that made them. This is mitosis.